Hi cuties, welcome back to Science Online Classes. Today I am going to take third lesson. Okay, before I revise the first lesson. Okay, what are the topic for first lesson? Birds. Okay, can you say some birds name? Eagle, kiwi, cuckoo, myna. Okay, very good children. Next second lesson topic, food. Very good, food. Okay, what are the healthy foods? Can you remember? Milk, potato, chapatis. Okay, now I am going to take third lesson, animals and their youngs one. Animal and their youngs one. Animals and their youngs one. The first one, goat and kid. Goat and kid. Goat and kid. Goat, G-O-A-T, goat, and A-N-D, and kid, K-I-D, kid. Goat and kid. The second one, cow and calf. Cow and calf. Cow and calf. Cow, C-O-W, cow, and A-N-D, and calf, C-A-L-F, calf. Cow and calf. What cow gives us? Cow gives us milk for us. Cow and calf. Okay, next one, what is this? Have you seen these animals? Cat. Yes, cat and kitten. Cat and kitten. Cat and kitten. Cat and kitten. Cat, C-A-T, cat. Cat is big animal and youngs one name kitten, A-N-D, and kitten, K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. Cat and kitten. Okay, next animal, dog and pup. Dog and pup. Dog and pup. Dog, D-O-G, dog, and A-N-D, and pup, P-U-P, pup. Dog and pup. Okay, can you say what animal is this one? Children? Lion. What animal this one? Lion. Lion and cub. Lion and cub. Lion and cub. Lion's baby name cub. L-I-O-N, lion, and A-N-D, and cub, C-U-B, cub. Lion and cub. Okay, next one, what is this? Horse. What animal this one? Horse. Horse young one name foal. Horse young one name foal. Horse and foal. Horse and foal. Horse and foal. H-O-R-S-E, horse, and A-N-D, and foal, F-O-A-L, foal. Horse and foal. Okay, next one, see this. What is this? The woolen cloth will be made for the sheep. What is this? Sheep. Sheep young one's name lamb. Sheep young one name lamb. Sheep and lamb. Sheep and lamb. Sheep and lamb. Sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. And A-N-D, and lamb, L-A-M-B, lamb, sheep and lamb. Okay, see next one. What is this? Deer. What is this? Deer. Deer and fawn. Deer and fawn. Deer and English name fawn. D-E-E-R, deer, and A-N-D, and fawn, F-A-W-N, fawn, deer and fawn, deer and fawn. Okay, next see that animal. What is this? Pig. What is this? Pig. Pig and piglet. The young one name Piglet. Pig and piglet. Pig and piglet. P-I-G, pig, and A-N-D, and piglet. P-I-G-L-E-D, piglet. Pig and piglet. Okay, next one. See the animals. What is this? Kangaroo. What animal this one? Kangaroo. This young ones keep it inside a stomach. See the animals. Kangaroo and joy. Kangaroo and joy. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo. And A-N-D, and joy, J-O-E-Y, joy. Kangaroo and joy. Kangaroo and joy. The next one, biggest animal. Can you say anyone? What animal this one? Elephant. What is this? Elephant. Elephant baby also called calf. Elephant young one also called calf. Elephant and calf. Can you say the spelling? Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant, and A-N-D, and calf, C-A-L-F, calf. Elephant and calf. Elephant and calf. Okay, next one. See that. What animal this one? Bear. What animal this one? Bear. B-E-A-R, bear, and A-N-D, and C-U-B, cub. C-U-B, cub. That lion young one also cub. The bear young one also cub. B-E-A-R, bear, and A-N-D, and cub, C-U-B, cub. Bear and cub. Bear and cub. Okay, next see this bird. This one, bird. What bird this one? Hen. Hen young one's chick. Hen young one's chick. Hen and chicks. Hen and chicks. Hen and chicks. H-E-N, hen, and A-N-D, and chicks, C-H-I-C-K-S, chicks, hen and chicks. See the bird, see the eyes. What animal this one? Can you guess? Owl. These animals only coming out night time. Owl and the young one name owlet. Owl and owlet. O-W-L, owl. O-W-L, owl, and A-N-D, and owlet, O-W-L-E-T, owlet, owl and owlet, owl and owlet. Okay, next one. See the quit young ones, duckling, the duck young ones, duckling, very quit. Duck, D-U-C-K, duck, and, A-N-D, and, duckling, D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G, duckling, duck and duckling, duck and duckling. Okay, the last bird, what is this? Flying very high. Can you guess? Eagle. Very good, children. What is this? Eagle. Eagle, the young one name eaglet. Eagle young one name eaglet. Eagle and eaglet. Eagle and eaglet. Eagle and eaglet. E-A-G-L-E, eagle, and, A-N-D, and, eaglet, E-A-G-L-E-T, eaglet, eagle and eaglet. Okay, children, now I will give some exercise for you. Write the name of the young one's name. See the first one. What are the young ones? Goat, young one's kid. Goat, young one's kid. First write the heading. Write the name of their young ones. First one. See the goat and kid. Goat and kid. Okay, goat young one's kid. Goat young one's kid. What spelling for kid? K-I-D. Kid. K-I-D. Kid. Okay, next one. What picture is there? See this side. What animal is this one? Cow. What animal is this one? Cow. Cow and calf. Cow and calf. Cow young one's calf. Cow young one's calf. See the second one? Calf. C-A-L-F. Calf. C-A-L-F. Calf. Okay, next third one. What is this? Pup. What is this? Pup. What is this? Pup. See the dog and pup. Dog young one's pup. Dog young one's pup. Dog and pup. Okay, now repeat the spelling. P-U-P. Pup. P-U-P. Pup. P-U-P. Pup. Very good, children. Next, fourth one. See the young ones. What is this? Lion young ones. Cub. Lion young ones. Cub. See here. Lion and cub. Lion and cub. Lion young ones. Cub. C-U-B. Cub. C-U-B. Cub. C-U-B. Cub. Okay, next. What is this? What is the young ones? Sheep young ones. Sheep young ones. Lamb. Sheep young ones. Lamb. Sheep and lamb. What spelling for lamb? L-A-M-B. Lamb. L-A-M-B. Lamb. L-A-M-B. Lamb. Okay, children. Now listen. Next one. Match with the ends one. Match with the ends one. Okay. First one. Eagle is there. The eagles. Egg ones. Eaglet. Okay. Match this. Eaglet. The second one. Owl. What bird is there? Owl. Owls. Egg one. Owlet. Owl. Eggs one. Owlet. The next animal. Pig. Pig. Egg ones. Piglet. Pig. Eggs one. Piglet. Okay, next one. Horse. Horse. Eggs one. Foal. Horse. Eggs one. Foal. Okay, next one. Deer. Deer. Eggs one. Fawn. Deer. Eggs one. Fawn. Match this one and write the eggs one name and send it for me. Bye, children.